bloody war is over. Church bells ring as people rouse and cheer. The bombs don't drop no more. No more hiding behind locked doors. Now there's time for peace. Now there is joy for all across the land. God bless the boys, you'll say, died for victory. And now there will be another short pause until someone finds a new death cause. Now there's time for joy. Though I know we shall be saved from ourselves, we cannot live until we are. To come, we could still be wearing thorns and speaking spears. These are the fears. These are the fears. These we have to live. When there is love, peace and joy will follow. Time to start again. Judas men have gone. Widows' tears still flow, and in the street the fires glow. Now there's time